In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the progress bar feature in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Monday.com. Up in the top right corner, you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then see the option to sign in using Google or by entering your email address. Choose the option that best suits you. If you opt for Google, you might need to select the associated email account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board you want to work with. This could be your project board or any workspace where you track progress. Once you're there, take a look at the columns in your board, head over to the very last column and click on the plus sign button. This action will allow you to add a new column to your board. In the search bar, type in progress tracking. This is where you'll start to enable the progress bar feature. You'll see an option for progress tracking, simply click on it. Adding this column will automatically create a progress bar, helping you visualize the percentage of tasks completed on your board. Now here's how it works. The progress bar will take into account the different status columns you have, like whether tasks are marked as done or not. Each item on your board will display a percentage indicating how many associated tasks are complete. If you have multiple tasks under one item, this percentage will update according to how many tasks are marked as done. Additionally, at the bottom of the column, there's a footer showing the overall percentage of tasks marked as done within your current group. This is a helpful way to get a quick overview of where your team stands on project completion. Anytime you mark a task as done, the updates are immediate, so you're always looking at the most current data. One key tip is to make sure that all your status columns are accurately set up. Whenever you update all of your status columns to done, the progress bar for that specific item will show 100%. This means you're completely finished with that set of tasks, and it's visually rewarding to see the progress bar filled up. By integrating the progress bar column into your boards on Monday.com, you're not just tracking but actively managing the status of your work. This visual representation can boost accountability, keep your team aligned, and ensure everyone is aware of the progress toward achieving your goals. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to keep on top of your projects using Monday.com's progress bar feature. Thanks for watching and happy planning.